and go back and forth in your body. Breathe. Be for 5 breaths. And then come back to center. Arrange your robes, if you will. And take your fingertips and gently tap on your head, the back of your neck, anywhere that you may feel a little tight. Just tap, 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 tap. Just bring that tapping. Anywhere you feel tight, you can hold your shoulders, tap down, and glide your hand up, down, and glide your hand up. All of that to physically recall the caring hands that once held you when you were infant, that nursed you and brought you to here. Everybody has some of that. Otherwise, human infants don't survive on their own. Just recall that as we move. And come back to center. And now take the tip of your nose and start drawing small circles. Exhale while you look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. 3 more times. Gradually open your neck. Make the circle bigger and bigger to where you are comfortable. The other way. Exhale down. Inhale up. 5 times at your pace. Take it easy, take your time. When you're ready, come to center. Open your chest and allow your spine to be long. And put your right hand by the right side of your body. Lean to your left. Really reach and allow yourself the space, all the space you need. Exhale. Inhale back to center. Exhale the other way. Inhale back to center. Exhale the other way. Allow your hand to be long. Give yourself the space that you need to grow into your most well, your most supported self. Now come back to center. And hold your hands in front of your belly button, as if you're holding a ball. Just hold there. Rest your awareness, your attention on your fingertips. And breathe. Allow your belly to expand and rest. And relax. Allow softness and ease to be in your belly. Like if you're a sleeping baby, a sleeping newborn. Just allow that for 3 more breaths. Now slowly put your left palm in front of your belly button and right palm over it. And draw circles with your hands. Notice how you feel. Allow yourself to soften and relax. Allow yourself the peace and the feeling of being loved you've always wanted. 3 more circles at your pace. Come back to center when you're ready. Then draw circles of hug around you. Exhale out. Exhale, bring your palm close to your belly button. Just like that. Very good. Just like that. 3 more times at your pace. Fold your palms together, bring it to the center of your brows, center of your throat, and center of your chest. And hug yourself. Let's give yourself a hug. Again, recall the feeling of being hugged and loved, being nurtured and cared for. Every generation, through deep history, anytime through the rest of the meditation, please feel free to return to this whenever you need to. Also feel free to move a little bit, rock your body back and forth. Like this, back and forth, undulate your spine. Moving small and nurturing ways, in ways that you need. Now come back to a comfortable seated position.